Alright, so to do skinnings, we'll do a demo first. I'll tell you guys how this thing works. So you guys already know how to create join, right? In riggings, skeleton, create join, or you can use to have this create join in here. So what this join is, okay, join is basically like this. It's like a one. If one join to one model, you will just skin it. Basically one scene, one join will carry all your models move around. Wherever you can like rotate, wherever you skill, okay, you do along with it. Okay, so this we call a skinning to join. Okay, so this is one skin, so you follow by that. If you got more than it, let's say I have two join here right now. Let me clean out a little bit. Hold on, clean this here. Okay, so let's say today I got like two join into one models, so you can select like this. 1, 2, select your models, skin, by skin, select the join. Alright, so you apply like this way. Okay, right now if I move this, it's still the same. Why? Because this joint is underneath on that. If I unparent this out, when I move, you can see right now this happen. Okay, right now it's like when I'm moving this joint, you bring along with this point, but here somehow just move a little bit. It's because that this joint also carry a little bit of the skinning weight on that. So by checking the skinning weight, you can select the models, right click, and paint skid weight too. So you can see right now how is the skinning weight attached on top. So by that, if you can't see on the gray to the black, it's very hard to see. You can turn on this color ramp, so you can see right now the value of it. Okay, so you can see red colors is like more towards the 1. Black colors is black. Okay, right now you can see the blue in here means that around just a little bit of the color on that side. So let's say right now I would do one for this joint. I don't want to carry this place. I just want to carry maybe until halfway, start from here. So I can do that by pen. So you can select the first joint. Right now you can see your mouse cursor become a brush icon. Okay, when you move over the object, you have the area you paint. So to adjust this area, holding B in your keyboard, left click, left and right, okay, to adjust the brush size. Okay, so when you paint it, then it become red colors. Okay, so when you paint with this, you can see right now you're under the replace in here, means that in here I will replace the value from what to what. So from here, this one you can see the color is around here, means that in this area you take 0.5. Okay, for this joint, 它带一个0.5左右。Okay, if you don't want it to carry this place, okay, you can put it, you can change the values. Okay, so 1 is value of 1 is like carried by this. If 0 means that it's not carried at all. So if don't this place, you don't want it to carry, you can change to 0. On this value, you put it to 0, then you paint. Black color means that it's not carried at all. Value is from black, it will go to here. 0的 value 还要进这边. Okay, we go to this joint. Okay, because right now you have two joints like in these models. If you got multiple joint, you paint black, you go to the other joint. It depends on which joint you carry the skin in there. So normally when paint skin, we will just like focus on two joint to paint it. So right now when I paint, somehow it's not like fully black I want. Okay, so you want it to be fully black. In here you change the brush. Okay, this two also you can go to fully black. Okay, this or this two will be works. 你涂就变黑了。Okay, but in here how? I cannot like just paint it, or maybe this one I want, that one I don't need. So somehow the value is like not nice, very hard to paint. So by this way, we'll just find the value like maybe this one is halfway. So I will select by the vertex, start from here. You can select like this. Okay, so in your keyboard, Shift, Comma, 句号啦。Then to select more, just add more value on, 加多一圈啦。Okay, maybe until halfway. I think around here will be half. Okay, so after you select already, you can go back to paint scheme. Okay, this joint don't carry this area. Just go to replace value 0. You flip. So all this will become 0. Okay, so by that way you can select the other side. Holding Shift, select again. So you Shift means why 什么不能的? Okay, it's okay. Just select other side, yeah. Okay, so this place don't need, so I just paint it black colors, so that this joint will carry this side for the fully white. Okay, the other joints will carry on this side fully white. So in middle, if you want to smooth it, okay, we got a few methods to smooth that way. You can click on this smooth, then mouse over, you just click it, so it can smooth the value for you. Okay, so this is how you can smooth it out. So by this way, if you smooth it, somehow the value is like not that nice, but you can do it another ways by selecting the vertex. So this is like where is the middle. So you can, by selecting this two loop, select more of it, okay, then you just smooth it out by clicking smooth, then you just flirt. So it will smooth out the way. If you find out it's not enough, holding shift, comma, more, then smooth again. So you can get this value. Okay, this one is the preview problems. Actually, it doesn't have any value. It's there already on this joint. Okay, because it's fully white, so it doesn't carry by the other joint. Okay, so right now, 他们就拿一半了啦。Okay, so this way where it smooth out the place. Okay, understood right here. So I give you guys a few minutes to go and try it out first. Alright, so after you can pen this out, okay, by using just like replace and smooth to do all these things. Okay, so next I'll teach you guys a little bit other stuff. Okay, next, this one is the add. Let's say the value in here, you want it to follow more to this joint. Okay, you can change to add. How many value you want to add on here? Maybe you can change it. Maybe I want to start with a 0.2. 0.02 in here. If you want it, then you just click it. You add the number for you already, just by clicking it. So 它会加它的 value 下去. They will add on top of this one. So this is another method to use it. Okay, by clicking add. Okay, if you just want the value to follow this, maybe this one I want to maybe 0.7. So just click here 0.7. By replace, then you click, the value will be there. Okay, this one is replace the value to 0.7. This one is add the value by 0.7. So you click one add-in, then it become fully white. 因为还是假嘛，你 keep on adding on top of it, so the value become white at the end. So these two are the difference. Okay, this one is let's say you find out the value is not enough, you want it to follow more of the joint, you can use add. This one is the value you want to be fixed on what value, you use this replace. Okay, these two are the difference. Smooth is you want it to smooth to other place. Smooth 你们要划去其他地方，你们就用 smooth out. Okay, so this one is the smooth. So there's a difference there. So another method. Okay, so let's say in here you just want to be okay, maybe I want just a little bit until here, but I don't know what's the value in there. So you guys can use this in the Windows general editors, component editors, these tools. I want you guys to put into your quick tab in here. Okay, function in my quick tab. Okay, Windows general editors, component editors. Okay, put into a shortcut key. 放一个进去. Okay, so after it, you click on this component editor, you pop up this really a lot of tabs window here. So just go to here, smooth skin. So this one is preview that your skin in here, wherever you have. So you know that this model carried by two joint. One is joint 1 and joint 2 in here. So that when I adjust any value from joint 1, the value will go to joint 2. Okay, but before that, need to let you guys know that, okay, the carry of the value, right, is from 0 to 1. 它会从0到1. Okay, so from here, you can see the vertex on these numbers. It shows that joint 1 is 1, but joint 2 will be carried by 0 because nothing cannot by carry anything. If I click on here, it's carried by two values. Okay, means that in here, joint 2 carried by 0.918, joint 1 is carried by 0.082 in here. Okay, total of one vertex, right, maximum value and minimum value will be 1. 加减就是1它的 value， 它可以给你要嘛 A 带还是 B 带罢了。Either is carried by the joint A, joint B, joint C or joint D, whichever it carries, total add up numbers just 1. Let's say you want to be carried by 5 joint, each of them need to be equals, so every joint be 0.2， 它们就每一个都是带同一点的，所以总之加起来就是1罢。Okay, total sum of the value should be just 1. Okay, 它怎么样都是1罢了，它不能变成少过1。If your value you find out in here total is 0.9, then that means that the vertex somehow the value got bugged. You guys gonna go inside and clean it up. If 0.8 or 0.9 in here total is show, right, when you move your all joint together, right, okay, your vertex will be still there. 因为它没有人有些人没有带到它了，它没有跟到任何东西，还有些东西 miss 掉了，它就会在那边。Okay, so just make sure that your vertex total must be 1. Okay, 一定要是1。Okay, 你们不用去理它，总之出来就一定一定是1就对了。Okay, so right now, if this one that I mentioned, okay, I want it to be around here. So I don't know what's the value on there. So you can click on here, the joint one, click the first one, scroll to the lowest, shift, click on here, and then see your window, there's one slider in here. So you can slide it. 你们就拿到 slide until the value. So this is the value that you want. So the other place, you can just roughly just move it up. So I just select like this, go back, I click on here, you can just move it using these two. I can just move them Okay, if you're lazy, you can go to 0 again, and then you smooth it out again. 你们去了啊？OK， 这个太多了，你说 smooth 不好看 ，it's too much. That's why smooth not that nice to see. Okay, so you guys can smooth like this way to get the value. 应该这样就好了。然后你们要多的话，你们就去选更多的那个圈圈去 smooth 多一点罢了。If you need more, then you select more of the loop, then you smooth like this way. Smooth like this way. So the value will start from here. Okay. So 这个是你们可以直接找你们要的 value. Okay. This one is like find the correct value that you want. Some of it, let's say the value is like maybe in here. Yeah, not that much. But you want the overall to go up or go down. Same thing. You can just select. Let's say on here you can see 0.5. Here is 0.6. It's okay. You can select this and you score it. Okay. They can move together. Okay. But you over already, then you go back. All will be 1 already. 他们就全部是1了，他们就是直直的了。他们就把全部 number 整合起来了。Okay, 就会变成一个对的全部whole loop will be sharing the same numbers. If you go to the end or go to the most furthest, then right now their value will be sharing the same values already. Okay, so this one just let you guys understand that. Okay, every value how it carries, so you guys can understand like how these things works. So sometimes I will also do like this way. I will just select the values. I will just drag like this way to get back the angle of like how far you gonna like blend it. I'll do like this. Okay, if somehow that you want to all these value be same, you just select like this. Select the first one, select the last one, press enter. They will summarize all the. They will equal the numbers together. So then you guys can just drag. 你们可以这样去做哈。So 这是另外一种做 skinning 的方法。Okay, another method of doing skinning. Okay 吗？So far until here. So let you guys go and try out this thing first before I proceed to the next step. Alright, so this is about the skinning. On here we do the tutorial, so we'll straight jump to the characters, and then maybe on the characters we'll have like more add-on, then we'll talk on that. So I will send this one to YouTube.